This dress is actually, I believe, like a size 6. So it's a little bit big for me, but sometimes you might like a relaxed look. This has a sweetheart neckline, and the sweetheart neckline looks good for my body type. I have nice, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I have nice shoulders and everything, and I just look better with this type of cut or a V-neck cut because I have kind of broad shoulders a little bit, versus if I had on a collar, like button-up collar tops don't look good on me at all for some reason. So knowing your body type and what makes you, like for example, this makes me look more feminine, and so I choose this style. Now, this is more of a vintage type of denim dress. It's button-up and it's a midi dress that goes all the way down almost to my ankles. I paired this with some brown booties because it's, you know, a good neutral. You could have done black or something like that, but this look gives me like Native American vibe. So I went with these turquoise earrings with like the matching kind of feather necklace, and also the turquoise ring. At first I thought this necklace may be a little bit too much for this look, but when I put my hair up in a ponytail, it looks really nice versus if it was down. So just how you have your hair, how you wear your makeup, and how you put things together as a whole are also important to your look. So